Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Vegas visiting the Shop at Crystals, which is attached to the Aria Hotel and Casino. If you're looking for the usual National Mall stores, look elsewhere, my friend, on the Strip, because this mall is extremely high-end. Some of the shops include Hermes, Harry Winston, Cartier, Van Cleef & Arpels, Tiffany, Gucci, Tag Heuer, Fendi, Louis Vuitton, Prada, Saint Laurent. When was the last time you saw a Saint Laurent shop? Valentino, Dolce & Gabbana, Versace, Rolex, Roberto Cavalli, Dior, and many, many more. This mall is too bon vivant for a food court. However, if you look closely, you'll find a nice cocktail bar in the center of the mall, which actually looks like a huge wooden sculpture. But look more closely, and there's cocktails being served inside. Speaking of sculptures, this mall has some of the best mall art I've ever seen. So put on your airs and grab that platinum card and let's go shopping.
Just like Cabby in many of my New York videos, Mitzi the Las Vegas Rubber Ducky Showgirl shows up on many of my Vegas videos, including this one. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's very elusive, so keep your eyes open for her. If you spot her, note the time and leave a comment below. We'll give you a shout out on our next Vegas video. For those of you with plans to visit exciting Las Vegas, I suggest the Foder's Las Vegas Guide. It's written by locals and has lots of insider tips. Lots of pull-out maps and descriptions that will help you plan your visit with ease. You can check it out by clicking on the link in this video's description. It's the best guide out there to Las Vegas, and I wouldn't leave home without it, neither should you.
This New York video has been brought to you by Audible, the world's largest selection of audiobooks. Listen anytime, anywhere you like to professionally narrated audiobooks, including bestsellers, new releases, sci-fi, romance, classics, and many, many more. Click on the link in this video's description for a free 30-day trial. As part of the trial, you get 2 free audiobooks to start with and 30% off any future audiobook purchases. Cancel anytime. Your books are yours to keep even if you do cancel. It's a great deal and you have nothing to lose by trying it out. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. On the right, you can click on my playlist of narrated photo videos or my playlist of walking 4K videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you around the city.